How to find the best deals on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can find the best deals on Qatar Airways. Finding the best deals on Qatar Airways can be quite rewarding, and here you have to do it. The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account. Once you're logged in, ensure you navigate to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard page, you can see details about your Avio at the left side of the screen. So you're by the right side of the screen, your balance, and then by the left side of the screen, you can see your digital card, and you can see three horizontal lines. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on these lines, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like my trips, my profile, my dashboard, claim your avios, spend my avios, my benefits, my offers. So once you see my offers, ensure you click on it. Now, after clicking on my offers, you'll be brought to the offers page. Okay, so on this offers page, you can see options. You can see our best offers, exclusively yours. Then you can see the different categories of the offers. Now, so far, there's the Qatar Airways offer, the bank and credit card, retails and lifestyle, airlines, hotels. You can just scroll down and check out the best deals that you have available on this page. Okay, so you can just check them out directly. So the first step here, or the first one here, you can check out all. You can check active offers. You can check expired offers. I would advise that you just go for the active offers. And then once it has loaded, you can see the offers available. So you can just select the one that you want, and then you can go ahead and register or get the offer. So that's how it works. This is how you can get the best deals on Qatar Airways. So ensure you check your offers more often so that you won't miss out on any. Thanks for watching and have a good day.